We can't tell all our
Yeah, we
stories.
can't. We can't tell all
They're
of
not
them.
PG-13.
Yeah. 3.5 years with him, yeah. That's when I got white hair.
That's 3.5 years of your life, bud.
Yeah. Yeah, my name is Bubba Kiningham. Most of the people don't know my real name, but I've been here for almost 39 years as a plumber, fitter, and a welder.
I'm Scott Jenkins. I've been here 33 years. Plumber, fitter. I think I started in 91.
Well, you know, back in the day, you did what you was told.
Yeah.
It's like Scott knows how I am as far as teaching, because when I had him, I would do the headers as far as the back-to-back, and I would set him over in the utility room to where it had, you know, the water heater and the mop sink. Lo and behold, he'd come over, he said, man, I need you to come look at this. I need you to come look at this. And I said, what? He said, just come look at it. And I said, Scott, if you can't stand back and say, that son gun looks good, I said, I'm going to make you change it. I said, it's that simple, because in the way I taught them is, you know, you're out there to make a name for yourself. I said, Bouchard's automatically taking credit for it. But you've got engineers, electricians, all these other trades, because that wall may not be covered up for 3 or 4 weeks, and they're walking by looking at your work.
Yeah.
And they're going to say, man, who did the plumbing on this? And I say, Bouchard, man, that looks good. Or they're going to come by and say, who the hell?
There's a couple times I was real proud. I thought I did a good job. And went over there and was like, hey, Bubba, come look at this. Check this out. And he'd unscrew it and throw it on the floor and tell me to start off. We're all like that. Like, if you worked here at Bouchard, you did
a little bit of everything.
You might be doing a warehouse, you know, for a month or two, and then you would be putting in a water heater or a boiler in Lifeway, and then you might be doing a lift station helping the machine shop. So we did a little bit of everything, and we'd work.
We worked nonstop.
Not round the clock. We would work all day, go home and eat something, and have to be back at 10, 11 o'clock at night to work again.
We was working 4 10s, so after 10 hours that Thursday, we left and went to Crossville and had to take this piece of equipment apart and move it. Can't remember where. No, we just took it apart so they could get it out. And when we got up there, they had Pinkertons. They're like police officers. They called them Pinkertons. So when you went in, they were with you the whole time, because what it was, this company was moving to Mexico. And these people, they had shirts, you know, signs, you know, you taking everything, just take the shirt off my back, you know what I'm saying? So if you went to the bathroom, that Pinkerton came with you, you know. So we did that, worked all night, and it was probably about 3:30, 4 o'clock the next day. And the only truck that we had was that step side here. So we was coming home. Well, Jimmy's 10 years older than me. So here we get in the truck. He didn't get from here to the farmer's market down there. He's breathing up on the steering wheel. I said, man, pull over, I'll drive. Pull over, I'll drive. So he pulled on the side of the interstate, and I got over there and I started driving. I couldn't have counted to 10, and his head was bouncing off that side mirror over there where he done fell asleep. You know, just that's how tired we were, you know.
Like nowadays, you call and ask, like, hey, who can work this weekend? Yeah. This happened yesterday. I called my guys, like, hey, can y'all work Saturday or Sunday? Well, I don't know. Let me check. Back then, if we heard Jimmy was working on Saturday, we'd volunteer. We'd call Jimmy and go, hey, do you have enough people? And if he didn't, we'd work.
When we came up, especially when I came up, I had that group, and that group was like family. You know what I'm saying? So it didn't matter what you was doing. We roofed probably 4 houses, 5 houses.
We worked on your house when you built your house.
Pour concrete, help build my house.
Roof my house.
Yeah, put up fences and all. And see, you didn't have to ask anybody to come over. Our group would be there. And there's times we'd work 4 10s. Friday, we'd get up and we'd go to Reelfoot, all of us, and fish.
Fish on the weekend.
We'd go to Horton, you know, that Friday and
play golf. Yeah.
Just the group, you know what I'm saying? Because they're like family to us.